Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators, and today I'm going to update the current market condition and looking forward for the next coming month. And I'm going to show you 5 stocks that currently beating the market for the month of November. As you can see, last week the domestic and international market indices are beginning to show signs of light. They return to buy signal with the S&P 500 index. They are posting about 6.2% on Friday, and we are continue to find a way to put it up to the upside. As you can see here, we do have room. Every time they pull back, the last 4-5 days of last week, the market is trying to turn around, and we are trying to get up to the upper bound here. As long as you can see that the volatility it continue to push it back down after they hit to the high, and now they break down to the downside. As long as the volatility coming down, so the people will stay calm, the market still have room to move upside. The interest rate is still stay strong, but they hit the sell zone. So let's see next week they will pull back down. If they continue to put it back up, so the interest rate and inflation is still in the upper scale. So we have a FOMC meeting coming on next week. Let's see how they are going to announce. Especially we heading to the election, so they will find a way to calm down the market. Maybe they will hold the interest rate stable. We will see on Wednesday. And if you look at the 401k and mutual fund, even though the market is coming down pretty high since beginning of the year until October, and the market turned around, but if you invest in the S&P 500, you make about 6.2%. But I know most of you your 401k or mutual fund, most of you put into the road fund, which only give you 2.25%. But if you understand how to read the chart by using technical analysis, your 401k mutual fund, you should move to the ETF value stock. For example, I give you, let's say let me see. VTV, right? That's the Vanguard value ETF. So if you put it there at the middle of October until now, you already make about 10% gain, which is beat the S&P 500 only 6.2%. But if you lift your fund sitting to a row stock, for example, like Vanguard Row ETF, the ticker symbol is VUG. You can see here, right? This one is lacking. They only give you 2.25% compared to the value ETF. Like I told you, the ticker symbol is VTV earlier. So as you can see that the market is currently right now, they try to bottom out and try to find a way to put it back up. S&P 500 is pretty strong. The Nasdaq it also try to turn around, and the Dow it also try to put it up pretty strong. As you can see, a lot of Dow stocks they are very strong and put it up to the upside. If you look at the 11 sector of S&P 500, you can see some of the strong sector like industrial is very strong. Last week continue to put it back up. The technology it also tried to turn around, but because with the high interest rate, so those stocks still fall behind compared to the industrial or consumer stable. They're pretty strong and push it back up. You can also see healthcare it also very strong, put it up to the upside. The material it also try to find a way back up. Communication it lacking. As you can see that like Meta, Facebook, they still have trouble. That's why you can see that the XLC is still going nowhere. Financial it also strong bounce from the bottom, put it back to the upside. Consumer stable pretty strong, as you can see here. A lot of stocks like McDonald's, Coca-Cola, Genesis, they are all doing pretty well there. And the interest rate is still in the high level. They affect the real estate also, so they are slowly moving to the upside. and utility also slow move also. And another one is consumer discretionary. It also lacking compared to the other sector. So so the overall, as you can see, that the market is trying to bottom out and put it back up. We are not in the bull cycle yet, but in the short term, we are trying to move it back to the upper level here. So stay tuned, okay, until the market will turn around and the bull cycle coming up. But in the short term, we will hang on to the upside for the short term move up to the upside. Now, let's take a look on the month of November. So I'm going to show you 5 stocks. They are currently beating the market. So the first one I want to show you is the ticker symbol AME. So AME, after they pull back down on July, they put it back up. That they fell here, but they hold it up, and now they try to find a way back up. So they still have room to put it to the first level of resistance there. And the next one is the BRK.B, which is the Berkshire Hathaway. That's the Warren Buffett company. And you can see they're pretty strong after they found a support. Now they try to get up to the upside. And the next one is Apple. Apple is pretty strong even with a very bad market, but Apple tried to find a support at the buy zone, and now they put it back up to the upside again. Next one is the Charles Schwab. Charles Schwab is also, as you can see here, they be able to break out the multiple resistance here and continue to put it back up, so we still have room to move on to the upside. Next one is the DSI. Okay, so DSI it also pull back down, but the stock was pretty strong. They hold here. Now to be able to break out and find a way to put it up to the upside. Okay, so that is the 5 stocks that I would like to show you. So take a look, put it on your watch list, and let's see how they perform in the month of November. So beside this stock, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Money Zone method. That's where we handpick many stocks daily and analyze in detail with the entry and target so that you can follow. As you know, that trading is a risky business. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme like many people are thinking. If you don't know the right technical analysis and you are gamble with the stock market, so find your time, save your money, and invest in your education. That's the only way that for you to survive in this volatile market and start your financial freedom. As Stock Navigator, we will help you to learn and understand how to read the price action on the chart. But we understand it's very hard for you to know everything overnight. So we will mentor and support you on our daily live Q&A by many instructors until you are successful. And you can join our 24-hour Discord community with thousands of members that are willing to share their idea and support new members. So click the show more link below to find out more about Stock Navigator, or you can check our website. So I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please don't forget to click the thumb up like button below. Thank you for watching, and then I will see you on the next video. Take care, everyone.